Hello YouTubers, welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add bones in your character. This is a very simple process and I will show you step by step. Remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. Okay, you will start by highlight all your layers here, and then what you need to do is to group them with selection. Right click, group with selection. Now put back anything which is out of place, and now go to your selection, right click, and then convert to bones. Once you have converted to bone, everything will be inside that bone because we created selection before. You can name your character. For example, mine, I rename it as superhero in that bone. And then you're going to click that bone, which is, as I said, mine now it is superhero, and then go to add bone tools on the left. You can also click A in your keyboard to add bone. The way you add bone, you will start with the main bone. So click and drag anywhere you want. If you want on the left side or the right side, it is up to you. So I've added mine here. So once it is highlighted, that means the next bone, it's going to be parented with that main bone. So here I'm going to click add bone and select the main bone and then do another bone. So I'm going to add another bone. So now any bone, now for example the one which I'm going to add for the leg here, will be parented to the main bone. When it is red, it shows that this bone has been selected. That means you can add another bone, and that bone you are adding will be connected or linked with the previous bone. So every time you add bone, you see red, mean that your bone is going to be linked or it's going to be parented with that. So now I'm going to add for the right leg, but I had to click the main bone to highlight it so that I can add another bone. Here you can see I've added a bone on the left side because I just wanted to make it the same size as the bone on the right side. It's important sometimes to do that when you do the rigging. And then I'm going to continue to add another bone. I know you can adjust this bone at any time, but I like to do that sometimes. So here I finish adding the bones for the legs. Now I'm going to click the main bone again, and I'm going to add another bone for the main body. Or you can click A in your keyboard. I will add two bones here. This will help when the character bends the torso. And then I'm going to add small bone for the neck, although I won't use it much. And then the main bone, the big bone for the head as well. The next bone which I'm adding now is not important, but I like to add it. It is going to be shoulder bone. So I will add shoulder bones for both shoulders. So I've selected the body bone, and then now I'm adding shoulder bone. Now this is the shoulder bone for the left shoulder, and then next bone is going to be for the arm itself, which is going to be connected with the shoulder. So all these bones on the left hand there are connected or are linked that bone which I have clicked now. This is for the right shoulder. I'm going to add the same thing. So you click and drag. Repeat the process for each part of the body. Once you're done, you will be left with bone strength. So you need to reduce the bone's strength by using bone's strength tools. I like to leave them on 0.20 except the main bone. The main bone is gonna be 0 strength. Now after checking the parenting, go ahead and select each bone and test it if it works correctly. Okay, you can see here the bones are working, however they are not flexible. So we have to make them flexible for us to animate it or to rig it. You click the part of the body on the layer and then go to bone selection tools and select that bone, and then go to bone and use selected bones for flexi binding. Do that for each part of the body. make sure that you are clicking the right bone. So if it is right hand, then select the bone which is on the right hand. Each part of the body you will be doing the same. You select that part of the body, you go to select the bone with select bone tools once it is highlighted like in red, and then you go to bone and use the selected bones for flexi binding. Okay, now we're going to test it. You can see now if I move the head, it moves perfect and it's not going to affect any other part of the body. You can see the hands, you can move it perfect, and that's how you add bones. So the next step is just going to be just to animate your character. You have to check each part of the body, because if something is not working correct, you can correct it. Now when I move the hand here, you can see that misaligned or out of its place. So we will do that in the next video. It's gonna be more interesting because we are going to start rigging this character. Again, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe again.